The OnePlus 15 is creating massive buzz, and if you think you've seen everything from OnePlus before, think again, because this upcoming flagship is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025, and I promise what I'm about to share will keep you hooked until the end, because there's a hidden surprise waiting just for you, so stick around. Now, let's dive into what makes the OnePlus 15 stand out in this hyper-competitive market. First, let's talk performance, because the OnePlus 15 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, a beast of a processor that takes mobile speed and efficiency to the next level with upgraded AI-driven performance that adapts to your usage, making multitasking smoother than ever. Pair that with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, and you're looking at blazing fast app launches, console-like gaming, and seamless switching between heavy tasks. Now, a phone this powerful needs an equally stunning display, and OnePlus doesn't disappoint. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED LTPO 4.0 panel with a silky 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and peak brightness over 3000 nits, which means watching movies, gaming outdoors, or scrolling late at night feels more immersive than ever before. But here's where things get interesting. OnePlus is also leveling up in AI, with smarter on-device AI features like real-time translation, personalized content suggestions, improved photography enhancements, and even AI-driven battery optimization that learns your habits to maximize every bit of the massive 5,500 mAh battery. Speaking of power, the battery is supported by insanely fast 150W wired charging and 80W wireless charging, which means you'll go from 0 to full in under 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Cameras are where OnePlus is aiming to surprise everyone, and with the OnePlus 15, we're expecting a triple lens setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, including a 200MP main sensor with OIS, a 64MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP periscope telephoto zoom capable of up to 120x digital zoom. Add AI-powered scene detection, night photography, and cinematic video modes, and you've got a phone ready to challenge the best in mobile photography. Now here's the suspense. While all these features sound insane, OnePlus is keeping a launch date close to its chest, but rumors strongly point to February 2025 as the big reveal during their global launch event, and there are even whispers of a special OnePlus 15 Ultra edition with exclusive finishes and features. Imagine the hype when that happens. But before we get there, here's the twist I promised. For those of you who've watched until now, OnePlus might actually introduce an AI-powered holographic assistant feature with this phone, something never before seen in their lineup, giving you a futuristic edge right in your pocket. So if you thought the OnePlus 15 was just another phone, think again. It could completely change how we interact with smartphones. And that's why you should be excited, because this phone is not just about specs, it's about redefining the flagship experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's a surprise for those who stayed till the very end. In my next video, I'll be revealing a hidden OnePlus 15 accessory that nobody is talking about yet, and trust me, you won't want to miss that. So stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.